Hi guys, it's Shell, Sunbury Housewives. Welcome back to another DIY. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button for future DIYs. Today is another installment of Girls Can Use Power Tools Too. This is hosted by Natalie from Design to the Nines, and her co-host this month is Jessica from Measure and Mix. I'm going to list both their channels and the playlist in the description box below, so make sure you check that out when you're done watching my video. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did was raided our scrap wood pile, which is really sad looking at this point. But the smallest board that I had, I measured the rest of the boards out to that size, and I'm cutting them all down to make sure that they're all the same size. I'm doing 6 boards total, and this is a 1x4 plank. But I think we bought them already cut. I don't know. They were just in the bucket and I pulled them out. Once all 6 were cut, I sanded them down, just a rough sand because I do want this to be somewhat rustic. Then I lay 3 of the boards out, and I have these scrap pieces of 1x2s, and I'm just measuring across for the length that I need, and then I'm going to mark those up, and I'm going to cut 4 total. I also give those a quick sanding, and then the cutting and sanding part of this will be done. All right, moving the project inside, I'm just taking this wire brush that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go over the boards and get some grooves in there. And I do take a utility knife and cut off little corners as well. Gonna glue them together, and I will set it aside to dry. Now that the glue has dried, I'm removing the tape. I put tape on it just to keep them together, and then I'm going to measure exactly where I want to put my bottom and top boards on. Once that glue is dried, I flip it over and I'm gonna measure where I wanna screw in the screws to keep the front and the boards completely intact. But I didn't want to do it from the front so you didn't see the screws or nail heads. Taking my drill, I pre-drill holes in each of the spots that I had marked out. And then I just take some screws and screw it into the boards. I did drill in a hole in the middle top board so that I could then go in and place a hook so that I can hang a wreath. So I squeezed out an amount of the antique wax from Waverly, and then I also used the elephant chalk paint from Waverly. I'm going to mix the two together with some water to make a stain. I wanted this to have a gray, but also a bit of the brown showing through. Once that dried, I went ahead and screwed in the screw so that I'd be able to hang a wreath or anything else I choose to hang up there. And flipping it back over, I'm going to drill 2 holes where I'm going to put in some eye hooks. And the eye hooks I bent so that they would lay flush against the wall. And I'm just going to screw those in and attach wire to it so that I would be able to hang these. I love how these turned out. So I replaced these that I had made a while ago with these, and I like it so much better. It's real wood. It's not a Dollar Tree sign, but I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. Thank you again to Natalie and Jessica for hosting. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.